Hello guys, a few days ago I was reached out by a company called Onwote. They offered me to ship their product for free to review on my YouTube channel. I looked up online and Amazon has good reviews, so I told them yes. Today I received the shipment. We have a security system installed in our house, so I offered to install this security system in my friend's house. In today's video I'm gonna be unboxing, installing and reviewing this camera.
Now let's open the box and see what we have inside. We have a quick user guide, 4 60-feet Ethernet cables and 4 cameras. When I took this camera out of package, I was surprised that the camera is made out of metal, not a regular plastic camera. It comes with weatherproofing kit, all accessories you need, and NVR itself. On the back of the recorder there are 8 ports and I connect up to 8 cameras to this NVR. This security camera features power over Ethernet technology, so you can plug in your camera to NVR using Ethernet cable. Connect power adapter to NVR. Connect a mouse to USB port. Plug in the NVR. Connect Ethernet cable to NVR. Connect Ethernet cable to your modem. Hook up a monitor to NVR to set up the system. Select the language and using default password, which is 123456, log in the system. Click OK, and now system will ask you to put an old default password, and then you need to create a new strong password. Set a pattern to unlock your system. You can also skip this step. Click Next to set up time zone. Scan QR code to download the app. Click Open and click Agree. Go back to NVR monitor and click Menu, Network, Basic P2P. And now make sure that Enable P2P and Add Without Sign Up are checked. Then click Exit. Open the app, click on the top left and click Sign Up to register an account. Click Select the region and enter your email. Click Verify and enter the code that has been sent to your email. Click Next, create a password and click Sign Up. And now I need to connect all cameras using provided Ethernet cables to NVR. Add a new device to the app. Click Devices, click Add, Scan, click OK. And now we need to scan a QR code on the bottom part of the NVR. When it's scanned, click Start Live View. Allow, and now we can start using the app. So the first camera will be installed on the backyard. Using Live View on the app, I'm gonna find the best place where to put the first camera. I do not use weatherproofing kit because all cables will be hidden in the attic. When the camera is installed, let's take a look how it actually works on the mobile device. And I think the picture is very good. The second camera will be installed on the wall in the garage, because current garage door opener does not have built-in camera. And as you can see, human detection already working, red frames and running man in the top right corner. The third camera will be installed in the left corner of the house and will be covering all driveway. And now you can see vehicle detection in the process. When the car stops, you will get this notification. There are a lot of settings in the app. To see all cameras, you can just slide left or right. You can zoom in if you want to see some details in the picture. You can adjust brightness, contrast, and much more to make a picture the way you like. If you want to see all cameras at once, click on Images. In my case, I need to click on 4, so it's gonna show 4 working cameras. But the app can go up to 16. The camera has smart playback. It is recording 24/7, and in the timeline, for your convenience, you'll see red lines that shows moving vehicle or moving person. If you see something suspicious, you can snapshot to take a picture, or you can record by clicking record. Now let's take a look how this camera works at night. It is 9:34 p.m. right now and very dark outside. Now I want to show you smart dual light technology. And as you can see, when the camera detects moving person, it turns on bright spotlights, and then we can see a picture in color. I made a video to show you spotlights working at night, and as you can see, when the spotlights are on, it is still very dark outside. One of the cameras for some reason is offline. It shows streaming 19%, and now I'll show you how to fix it. Click Close All, click to add, then My Devices, and start reading each camera. And as you can see, the one that was frozen now is working, and we need to continue adding all cameras. And as you can see, all cables now are hidden in the attic. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.